Welcome to the Wessex AF Series self-powered flail mowers, manufactured in the UK by Wessex International and distributed globally through our network of dealers and distributors. Designed for rough areas of long grass and weed growth, brambles, bracken, gorse and light scrub, the AF flail mower will cope with the most arduous conditions. Available in 1.2 and 1.6 metre working widths and powered by an 18 horsepower Briggs & Stratton V-twin petrol engine, they are the ideal machine for the private estate owner, the gamekeeper and forestry contractor. Other typical users would be organisations such as the National Trust, English Heritage, Wildlife Trust and Reserves. One feature which sets the AF flail mower in a league of its own is the manual engagement clutch system, cleverly designed to provide maximum power transmission in demanding applications. The AF flail mower has 3 high torque rating belts, which are slack when starting the engine, meaning the rotor remains stationary. As the manual clutch is engaged, the belts are tensioned by a sliding jockey pulley, which engages the rotor. This system allows the machine to operate in the most arduous conditions without the inherent overheating problems associated with a centrifugal clutch. It is this transmission system which allows the Wessex flail to boast a powerful 18 horsepower V-twin engine, offering more power than its rivals without the danger of belt slippage. Make no mistake, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. The cutting height is adjusted by a simple screw handle on the rear of the mower, and the turnbuckle on the drawbar levels the machine at the desired height of cut. The cutting height ranges from 10mm to 160mm. The drawbar has a swivelling ball hitch to satisfy the recommendations of the Department of Health and Safety. The drawbar can also be hinged to the left or the right to offset the machine. No tools are required to offset the AF flail mower, as the pivot plate is loosened by turning the convenient T-bar, allowing the drawbar to be hinged to one side and retightened. So the machine will trail offset to either side of the ATV. The Y-pattern flails are designed to thoroughly mulch dense vegetation, and the adjustable rear anti-scalp roller is designed to take the weight of the machine should a wheel slip into a rut or a hole in the ground. Anywhere where there are areas of long grass and dense vegetation, the AF flail is the first choice. However, for a fine finish on regularly mown areas of grass, we would recommend the Wessex AR Series rotary mower or the AT110 pasture topper. For further information on any of the Wessex ATV equipment, or to locate your nearest dealer, please visit the dealer locator section on our website or call our sales office on 01264 345 870.